I somehow got antiperspirant/deodorant in my eye. Now my vision is blurry and seems only to be getting worse, not better. This happened about 5.5 hours ago and was just a little splash off an armpit hair. The deodorant was Speed Stick 24/7. Other than attempting to flush it using a contact solution, did not help, and I do not wear contacts. I have done nothing. I thought it would clear up on its own after a little while, but it seems to only be getting worse as the night goes on.
Hello, welcome to JustAnswer.com and thanks for your question. Well, as your symptoms are getting worse over the time, so it is advised to visit ER or consult an ophthalmologist. Doctor may need to test the pH of your eye and irrigate it with a special isotonic saline solution until the pH returns to normal, and also prescribe anesthetic eye drops to help with the pain. In the meantime, you can take OTC Motrin. And if you have redness, itching in eye, you can take OTC Benadryl. You can instill OTC lubricating eye drops like Gentile eye drops. I hope this helps. If you have any further query, then feel free to ask.
If you have a health question and want to chat with a doctor now, visit justanswer.com/ythealth.